So what I want you to do is I want you to use this funnel right here to fill this bottle about like maybe that high with vinegar. So she's going to fill out with vinegar. Before class started, I mixed some baking soda with water. So this is just baking soda and water. The reason I mixed with some water is because it's going to allow me to put it easily into a balloon. That's probably good. Yeah. Mix it up nice and good. Where's my? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Okay. Why don't you go ahead and start pouring that in. Just pour real slowly because it's going to fill up pretty fast. So I'm putting a baking soda water mixture into this balloon. Keep going. It's okay if it spills. Keep going. Right, stop there. Yeah. Okay. All right. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to dump this baking soda. So vinegar in the bottle, baking soda in the balloon. I'm going to have Jasmine. I'm going to have Jasmine dump the balloon into the bottle. Before she does that, what do you think is going to happen? Balloon's going to blow up? Okay. It might. Let's find out.
Oh my God, it is beautiful. Oh, I gotta do this with my son.
Oh my God.
This is awesome. This is the best. I'm doing this with my children. Oh my God, Justin, we gotta show first.
Okay, so
Oh my God.
what happens here is that we mix together a powder into a liquid, and then we got all this extra air. So it was reactions like this that made chemists wonder, or that made them realize that there's something going on at the microscopic level. There's somehow the baking soda and vinegar are transforming on a very small level to make all this new gas. Because you guys saw the balloon. The balloon was deflated, and now it's inflated with a lot of new gas. I think you can let it go. It shouldn't blow up. Sorry? Yes, so the new gas is carbon dioxide. Mix together vinegar, baking soda. What makes vinegar and baking soda bubble when you put them together is that it's making carbon dioxide bubbles. Yeah, carbon dioxide is not flammable, no.